So dear students, now last. Ruhi travels 300 kilometer to her home partly by train and partly by bus. इसका क्या मतलब? What does it mean? For example, this is the Ruhi's office place. मान लो ये कहीं दिल्ली में या नोएडा है, and this is home, that is Ambala, and it is 300 kilometers away from her home. तो उसका ऑफिस प्लेस होम से कितनी दूरी पर है? टोटल 300 किलोमीटर. अब वो 300 किलोमीटर कैसे ट्रैवल करके जाती है? शी ट्रैवल सम डिस्टेंस बाय ट्रेन एंड सम डिस्टेंस बाय पार्टली बाय बस. पार्टली मीन्स कुछ हिस्सा ट्रेन से एंड सम पार्ट बाय बस. सो नाउ लेट अस सी हाउ मच पार्ट. शी टेक्स 4 hours if she travels 60 kilometer by train and remaining by bus. So what they are telling that she takes 4 hours, उसे 4 घंटे लगते हैं if she travels 60 kilometer by train and remaining by bus. So remaining कैसे आएगा? Total is 300 kilometers, so remaining will be 300 minus 60. That means she travels 240 kilometer by bus, right? In the second case, next line, if she travels 100 kilometer by train and remaining by bus, she takes 10 minutes longer. उसे 10 मिनट ज़्यादा लगेंगे अगर वो 10 किलोमीटर्स ट्रैवल करे ट्रेन से एंड रिमेनिंग बाय बस मीन्स 300 माइनस 100 इज इक्वल टू 200 बाय बस. शी टेक्स 10 मिनट्स मोर. बेटा 10 मिनट्स मोर से क्या ये मतलब है कि उसे सिर्फ 10 मिनट लगेंगे? नो, दैट मीन्स शी विल टेक 10 मिनट्स, इट विल टेक 10 मिनट्स एक्स्ट्रा देन द प्रीवियस वन. तो उसे सेकेंड केस में 4 hours 10 minutes लगेंगे, राइट? So time is given to us. The distance traveled by train in both the cases are given to us. Distance traveled by bus in both the cases are given to us. So what we have to find out is find the speed of the train and the bus separately. So whatever they ask us, that will be our statement. So let us write the statement. Let the speed of the train be x kilometer per hour and bus be y kilometer per hour. So dear students, let us convert the question this condition into the equation form. As I told you, whenever they will talk about the speed, we have to use the formula for speed. Speed is equal to distance upon time, right? But dear students, what is the out of these 3 dimensions which is common among the case? पूरे केस में कॉमन चीज़ क्या है? ट्रेन की स्पीड अलग, बस की स्पीड अलग. ट्रेन का डिस्टेंस अलग, बस का डिस्टेंस अलग. सो व्हाट इज़ द कॉमन थिंग? आई मीन्स व्हाट इज़ देयर विच इज़ कंबाइनली डिस्कस्ड? तो वो क्या है? कंबाइंड टाइम दे रखा है हमें. सो वी विल कन्वर्ट दिस फॉर्मूला इनटू द फॉर्मूला ऑफ टाइम. बाय क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाइंग विल गेट t is equal to d by s. So we will use this form of speed formula to write the equation. So in the first case, case 1, let us make the equation. So we are using the formula t is equal to d by s, right? So first case we are writing. Now in the first case, the distance is 60. So let us write distance is 60 divided by speed of train. Train is there. Train की speed कितनी है? x. Now together the time is combined together. तो for together we'll write plus. So again let us put the time taken by bus. Distance by bus is 240 divided by speed of bus is y is equal to time taken by train and bus together, for together plus sign is 4 hours. So we'll write 4 hours like this. So this is your first equation, right? You can reduce it. So similarly, we will similarly make the second case equation. Again we'll use the same formula. We'll take the time for train. So direct time is not given to us. We'll use this formula. Time of train is equal to distance of train divided by speed of train, right? So distance traveled by train in second case is 100 divided by speed is train x plus distance by bus is 200 divided by speed is y, and time taken to complete, let us convert completely into hours. 4 minutes plus 10 आवर्स में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए विल डिवाइड मिनट्स को जब आवर्स में करते हैं विल डिवाइड बाय 60. सो लाइक दिस. तो 60 से हम डिवाइड कर देंगे. when you will solve it, you will take the LCM. 6 4s are 24 plus 1 25 by 6. So by taking the LCM we'll get this. So 25 by 6. So now you all know how to solve it by reducing them into the other variables, because variables are in the denominator. So try the remaining part yourself. Okay, till the time I am solving it, you solve yourself. And one more thing, dear students, now 60 is in numerator, 240 is in numerator, 4 is in numerator. We can reduce them as all these are the multiples of 4. तो हम इसे reduce कर सकते हैं. 4 1s are 4, 15 4s are 60, 4 कितने से 24 6 and a 0. So we'll get 15 by x plus 60 by y is equal to 1. Similarly, all these three are the multiples of 25. 25 1s are 25, 8s are 200, 4s are 100. So new equation will be 4 by x plus 8 by y is equal to 1 by 6. So by putting them 1 by x is equal to this, so we'll write 15a plus 60b is equal to 1. This will be our second equation. And 4a plus 8b is equal to 1 by 6. This will be our next equation. So dear students, by elimination I am eliminating a, multiply first equation, so I am eliminating b, multiply first equation by 8 and second by 16. So you will get these two equations. So from here 1 by 6 into 60, by cancelling we will get 10. So we'll get minus 120 is equal to minus 2. So we can take ये minus 120 इससे multiply हो रहा है, it will go to other side, it will get divided, minus से minus cancel, 2 by 120 is 1 by 60. Put the value of a in equation 2. Here is equation to 15a plus 60b. So 15a, a means 1 by 60 plus 60b is equal to 1. So here by cancelling it will get 1 by 4. When it goes to other side it will become minus. Take the LCM. By cross multiplication we will get b is equal to 180. Now we got a and b values. Now we will put them in the point where we have started them. So 1 by x is equal to a, 1 by y is equal to b. So 1 by x is equal to 1 by 60, 1 by y is equal to 1 by 80. So x is equal to 60 and y is equal to 80. Therefore speed of train is 60 km per hour and speed of bus is 80 km per hour. So I hope the remaining part is clear to you, because you all are familiar by this method now. Main point is this, which you need to understand, because speed is mentioned in the question. So we have used the speed formula, and in this form time is equal to distance by speed, because the time of train and bus individually is not given to us. तो उस time को हमने convert कर दिया, like time of train is equal to distance of train, speed of train. तो टाइम ऑफ ट्रेन की जगह हम ये पुट कर रहे हैं. टाइम ऑफ बस नहीं गिवन है, तो वी आर यूजिंग टाइम डिस्टेंस ऑफ बस divided by speed of bus, like this. By adding them, total time is given to us, so that's why we are taking addition sign, right? So solve it, try it yourself.